Hey there, Al from Signet here, and today I'm going to share some tips around how to use the Wrap and Go. After you've unboxed and set up your dispenser, here's how you use it. There are two main elements to Wrap and Go, the dispenser itself and the roll of Geami paper. These work hand in hand to create eco-friendly bubble wrap equivalent on demand. The unit works by applying pressure to the back of the roll via the spring-loaded brake. When pressure is applied to the back of the roll, it allows us to expand the paper out, giving great surface protection to your products. If we push the brake handle up and to the right, a bit like a manual car, it's in its neutral locked position. Here you can see that without the brake engaged, the roll will just spin nice and freely, which we don't really want. With the roll in the dispenser, we can now engage the brake by pushing it down and to its left. Geami is simply craft paper with thousands of little die cuts. When tension is applied, the paper turns onto its side, creating volume and protection for your goods. But like anything new, there's a little bit of technique required. The first thing to note with this paper is that if I grab it in any one spot, it wants to rip. And for first-time users, this can be really frustrating. However, this is how we've designed the paper for easy tearing and packing of your products in the correct fashion. So you'll want to ensure that you pull the paper out by using two hands, spreading the load across the whole roll. This way it comes out perfectly every time. When you've completed wrapping your product, simply use your bottom hand to tear through the paper back towards yourself to finish the wrapping process. Make sure you always keep tension on the roll to maximize both protection and the yield of each roll. Wrapping your products is easy with no tape required. If you also wanted to add the Geami white tissue paper to this product, it's really simple to add it to your assembled dispenser. Just pop the bracket on the back, add in the paper, feed it through the rollers, and away you go. Now, one last tip before I go. Push the brake away from you and dispense 30 centimeters of unexpanded paper before you start. Add tension to when you're wrapping, place the product in the middle of the roll and start wrapping. Well, there we have it, a fast and efficient way to wrap your products, and nearly anything, sustainably. I'll see you next time.